almost. I've ended up with a trapdoor, but worse than that, I don't know if you can see, but I've gone in off. I think I've taken half the end of the punch off. I'll have to reforge that, but for now I'm going to see if it will work. I don't know whether it will and what kind of a weird hole I'll end up with. I'm very disappointed. I've obviously hit the edge of the hole there and shaved off half the punch. That's hot. Can't see the other side of it. Doesn't work, does it? I can see it now. Just hit my hand. Enemy punches, bright red. That wouldn't be very good, would it, really? Come on, baby. Strictly by eye now. Whoa. Any spots. Attempt to introduce a bit more detail, and I'll probably ruin the whole piece doing this. But here we go anyway. Not the best. Not the best. Not very brilliantly lined up, but you know, hey ho. I'm going to be brave and try and do it all the way along. Haha. That's going to be fun. Well, you know, it's in line. Not in line with the holes, but it's in line with the other line. Whoa! Careful. Oh, it ain't going very well, is it? I don't know why that is. Oh no, ruin it at the last, I would. Well, sort of got away with that. I'm still learning how to use this tool properly. Just clean this up a bit. Yep, that's a bit better. Okay. Now, I've got to bend this now 90 degrees on that mark that's centered up there. And it's got to go that way. And what I'm going to do is heat this area and quench back within 10 mil in the water trough, in the Bosch, from the mark, and then quench back this way with a bean tin of water to 10 mil, and then come and start the bend. Now I've started the bend, that should be a lot easier. So that's getting on for 90 degrees. Give them a clean up now. Have one bracket finished, and I hate the next 5 words. Make another one the same. Oh, I'll get on with that then. Unless anything spectacular happens, I'll be back when I've done it. Second one, I now realise that that arm is a lot shorter than that one, and looking on the back, there's the mark where I should have bent it, and this is typical of me, so I've got to try and put that right. It's going to be fun, isn't it? There's the mark there. Not brilliant, but at least they're the same blooming length now. Here we go then, there's the brackets done and run over the wire wheel. They're not brilliant, there's a lot of problems, you know, there's a curve there, and this slit isn't in line with the middle of the holes. Neither does that one come to that. That one is, that's not bad. That one's off as well. Just practicing the skills really. These aren't round, they're lollipops. I was shown how to do them round, but I can't for the life of me reproduce it. So it's obviously back to the teacher and ask him. One of these holes isn't very clever, that's because I damaged the punch. That's not round by any means, is it? But I hope they'll do the job. They're meaty enough, certainly. There we go, anyway. Coat of linseed, raw linseed oil now to give me a bit of weather protection. Whoop. And again. Whoa. day of this. I was asking for trouble there. Wonderful. This is just a dull red. All I need to do is start that bend off. Obviously there's not enough heat in it. Oh, failed. That's not very good, is it? Do it again. Which isn't an excuse for it. Yo! How cool is that then?